Recreational boat operators can fall overboard unexpectedly when boats hit waves or wakes, take sharp turns, or experience steering failure, strike submerged objects, or suffer onboard medical emergencies. And runaway boats pose grave dangers.
If an operator is ejected from a boat moving forward at a moderate or fast speed, in many cases, the boat will turn hard to one side and begin circling until it hits something or someone. And spinning propellers can injure, maim, or kill instantly.
Federal law now mandates that boat manufacturers, distributors, and dealers equip boats 26 feet and less in length, propelled by engines capable of more than 115 pounds of thrust, with emergency engine cutoff devices. Putting such devices on powerboats of less than 26 feet should reduce the harm from circle of death incident.
The U.S. Coast Guard recommends using an emergency engine cutoff device whenever your boat is underway, and personal watercraft and smaller boats come with these devices already installed.
What if your boat is not equipped with an emergency engine cutoff device?
The most important factor to consider is the kind of boating you plan to do. The design of your boat and how often you intend to step away from the helm will influence the type of emergency engine cutoff device you choose.
Many retrofit options now are available, including new wireless solutions, as well as the traditional lanyard type, which can be as easy to install as a home electrical outlet.
No single device is perfect for every situation. Each has advantages for specific boating conditions.
Variables to consider include lanyard length and force required to trigger the emergency engine cutoff device. And for wireless units, optional special features.
It's good practice to test lanyards for flotation, and if necessary, add a floating keychain. Other considerations include having an onboard spare and instructing passengers on where it's stored and how to restart the engine.
Wireless units offer multiple sensors that can be worn by each person on board and don't have to be detached and reattached when stepping away from the helm. They are typically more complex than the lanyard type, which affects operation as well as installation.
Lanyard devices are a must for anyone boating solo or operating a PWC, but they only work if worn by the person operating the boat.
And if the operator needs to attend to an out-of-reach task, the lanyard must be detached to prevent accidentally shutting down the engine and then reattached.
Wireless systems permit the operator to step away from the helm, provide safeguards for every person on board, and have different optional features for particular environments.
But whichever solution you choose, whenever you're underway in your boat, use it. Protect yourself and your loved ones. Emergency engine cutoff devices save lives.